There is one seemingly miraculous thing about health, and that is that we, our bodies, are literally designed to heal themselves. Before I share the details on that, just for a moment, imagine this. You wake up in the morning feeling rested, optimistic, and excited about the day ahead. You feel peaceful, yet powerful and purposeful as you experience the innate potency of the present moment. You're immersed in taking pleasure in every movement of your body and feeling empowered by your senses. The world has a beautiful edge, and for the first time in a long time, perhaps ever, you feel empowered and at one with it. You're able to get more done and have a true sense of accomplishment, past symptoms of a distant memory. And the best thing, you know this is only the beginning of healing with consciousness. I know that might sound a long way from what you're going through right now, like somebody in a different world even, but do you believe that with the right tools and guidance, it's at least possible to move towards a life like this? It's far from fantasy. A small but growing number of people are transforming their lives from struggle to strength, from pain to being healed. And we now have the science to back this up. It's this transformation that I want for you. My name is Lloyd Borrell. I'm grateful to have led some of the most impactful events produced by Health Means in recent years. Back in 2002, I suddenly developed a reaction to my cell phone out of the blue. Literally from one day to the next, it felt as if my brain was burning up from the inside out. Within a very short time, I started reacting to everything electrical around me, my computer, the TV, the radio in my car, even my corded landline telephone. And I couldn't escape it, even in my own home, because man-made electromagnetic fields invade our homes from our neighbor's Wi-Fi and from the smart meters for our utilities, and on and on and on. And even the wiring in your walls. For nearly 10 years, I suffered debilitating symptoms. But I discovered healing techniques that work on deep levels. I no longer suffer and have since devoted my life to sharing these healing protocols. What is so exciting is the growing body of research showing how unlocking consciousness is one of the biggest keys to healing and changing your state of being. That's exactly why I put this groundbreaking event together for you. This is my invitation to you to join me for this exclusive event. You're going to get access to some of the best minds on the cutting edge of this science, sharing practical things you can do to immediately promote healing and change your state of being.